YouTube, we back with another one. I just made like 8K in under 5 minutes. And simple IFVG orb strategy. You're gonna have to tap in.
Just get one in before the print, and it fucking pumped. I'm getting one in here. If it comes down, I'll scale. But this one might be a move. We just gotta feed like 3-4 different confluences at once. Okay, one more. Fuck. Or one more on drawdown, not on the up move. Multiple confluences here. I'm leaving it there. I'm not gonna scale too heavy. We want to see now this trend line act as, you know, like a bullish trend line. To see if we can stay inside orb, if we could take up top side orb or not. Oh shit. Fuck. Me drag it, bitch. Damn. Alright, there you go. Let's see if we can flip up to fucking midline or some shit like this. This would be decent for us. We're rolling, guys. We're rolling. We want to see continuation to at least midline. Midline would be ideal for us. Midline would be ideal for us. We got break back into break of tap of our higher time frame. Come on. We got a bunch of confirmation on this trade. We're fucking rolling, boys. 126 ticks. I'm gonna start TPing at midline. I'm probably gonna full TP at midline, to be honest. Come on, bitch. Don't stop here. This shit got aggressive. You know what I'm doing here? I'm going break even here. I'm going break even here. What is it? A sell stop? I'm gonna TP pretty soon at midline, guys. We're already rolling 170 ticks in profit. This is a very fast trade. It's a very fast trade. I might even take a partial here. I might even just take a partial here. I'm out of that. I'm out of that, boys. 230 fucking ticks just like that, boys. Come fuck on. You could definitely take partials here and then just let the rest ride if you guys want. I'm fully out of that. Fully out of that. Drop some W's if you're in. Let me get a 1 if you're in the trade. If you're in profits and you're taking partials, it's a good area to take partials. Good fucking trade. We waited very patiently for this. Holy shit, that was a fast ass fucking trade. 3 minutes and 30 seconds. We had 2 different fibs on for today. One of them was based off of, I want to say that for the day. The green one was based off the 9 o'clock candle. And then this was a higher time frame fib off basically yesterday's down move. So just to get that out the way. So I wanted to see a push up to this level because this was a 4-hour FVG that we had like ran through. I wanted to see if we would retest it for continuation downwards, but we never ended up going up to it and we just started melting. So what did we do? Wait. That's what we did today. We just waited. And we had our basically 236 level get touched here after the break of orb. I saw that the break of orb had an FVG right when it happened. We had marked it and we were looking at this candle for entry, but it just tapped it and dumped. It came down to our 236 and started giving us our reversal. And then I had also marked this trend that was happening. So I let people know if I see this IFVG here, if I see this FVG get inverse and turn into an IFVG, and we break back in, and we break through the, then we have pretty much clear buys, in my opinion. I think I had it a little bit lower. I hadn't adjusted it, but it was more like this. I want to say it was a little bit more slanted, but I had adjusted it after to see the bounce off this move here, like this, but whatever. So basically, this move was basically based off of our IFVG, our break back into orb, and then our break of this trend line, and we took it directly up to midline. I full TP'd at midline. I was not fucking around. It ended up giving around 220, maybe 250, 244 ticks. I TP'd directly at midline, full TP. I let everyone know you can close partials and hold if you want to see continuation to the top side, but the second this inverse, I let them know if this candle inverse is here, everyone needs to get out. Very solid 1-2-3 minute trade for 240 ticks. It was beautiful. It was actually very beautiful. We had a lot of confluence. We had fib level, IFVG, orb, and then a break of the trend. 4, you don't need more. It was very simple. We take them every day of the week. The RR was a little risky, but it wasn't that bad because it was the bottom of this candle right here, something like this. So it wasn't the greatest RR, but we went break even the first minute, I want to say. Like once we had pushed here, I think after this candle wicked out, I went break even, and then the next minute just took me to full TP. It was very simple, one and done. No more trades for the day. Didn't take anything. Levels still overall played out clean. Orb sell off. I want to say this might have even midline never got hit again, but overall break and retest IFVG here of orb. This is a solid, just really quick, just peeped it really fast. Solid entry here, very solid work for the sell off to our 786 level. So from 786 to next 786 wouldn't be surprising, but this is how clean our fibs are. We placed this fib early in the morning. Look how it tells us where exactly we're gonna bounce from. Pretty crazy. So that was it for today. One and done, very simple. And our break of the 4 confluences for that trade, and it was a 3-minute 250 point banger, 250 tick banger. We take those every day.